Hello out there and welcome to the Good Neighbor Podcast. I'm your host, Mike Sedita, and I am here with my co-host, Parita Patel, and we are sponsored by Parita Health. Parita, how are you doing today?
I am doing great. Excited to share some knowledge.
Excellent. So we are here to talk about health insurance, and our question for you today is, why is health insurance so expensive?
There's a lot of answers to that question. The main thing I will say is in all things in life, especially health insurance, you get what you pay for, right? At least that's what we would think. Now, most insurance is major medical, which would be through Obamacare, Marketplace, healthcare.gov. All these names are interchangeable. Major medical health insurance means you can't be denied coverage based on pre-existing conditions. So really, it's meant for people that have a lot of pre-existing conditions. But the thing is when you have a plan that says yes to everybody, regardless of their health, regardless of their pre-existing, that means that they have to make the premiums high enough to cover those people's expenses. So if you're going to say yes to somebody, for example, that has a cancer in their history, well, the insurance company is going to want to be able to pay for those people's expenses, so they make the insurance more expensive. So when you're looking at plans that have major medical coverage, they're expensive because they're taking everybody on. Now, keep in mind, you might not need that kind of coverage. So maybe it makes sense to look into insurance that isn't necessarily major medical, but still going to cover the things that you need, if that makes sense.
That definitely makes sense. And there's a whole bunch of variables that people might need to consider. And if they do need to consider those things for their health insurance needs, to get a hold of you, they go to peritahealth.com, and right from there, they can get on your calendar and do an exploratory appointment, correct?
Absolutely. You got to learn what options are available, and it starts with knowing what you have as well. So set an appointment and we can look at that together.
Contact Parita today, peritahealth.com. Thanks, Parita.
Thank you.